Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're watching this on Instagram, hit that follow button. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video. If you're watching this on Glamily, hit that follow button so you never miss another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I appreciate all the love and support. And again, thank you so much for watching. So I ordered some stuff out of the modelones website. I got some cream based gel polish, and they sent me some free nails and some acrylic pens as a gift. And these are the colors that I chose to get, these color cubes. And then I ended up using one of them to do my nails today in honor for Taurus season, and they each came with a little applicator, brush, and instructions on how to use. And these colors are just so cute and pigmented, and they're very easy to use and creamy. This is the one I use for my nails. But anyway, I do have an affiliate code. It will be linked in my bio where you can get a discount off your purchase. And again, thanks for watching, and I appreciate all the love and support.